that. Well, sometimes you don't see here in the little screen, but that big screen that shows much more details than here. But look, the flowers. So today the provision, the forecast is that the wind is gonna be over 80 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.
Blowing this snow around. That's gonna be fun.
Eric is gonna be out there.
I'm gonna be out there. If it's 80 miles an hour in your face until the snow start to get rough.
Yeah. And why are you going to be out there? Because you're a lumberjack.
Yeah. There's no that. That's a problem for us? No.
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 Problem for other people, maybe. Not for us. We're wild. Oh, that's a wild Wisconsin, man.
Yeah.
No fear.
No fear.
100 miles an hour.
Yeah, this is you going back to your home.
Uh-huh. Get out of my way.
Out of my way. You're going in the left-hand lane all the way.
I am in the left lane, and do you have a problem with that?
No, if you do, talk to the lumberjack.
Yeah, talk to me.
Talk with you.
Come to make your case with me. I would like that this movement of the snow in the road. I would like to see that in the video.
Yeah.
That's really, really nice. There you go.
Very nice, very classical here too. Snow coming through the field and those trees.
So today you're gonna be a whiteout?
Yeah.
Is that whiteout?
Yeah. We hope. We hope
Yeah.
it's going to be whiteout conditions.
I'm gonna put my speedo,
Yeah.
my camera. So, oh, whiteout. Let's go there.
Go outside with your speedo. Orange. Wear orange speedo.
Orange speedo.
In case you're lost, someone can find you.
It's hunting season too, so you never know. There we go, nice. That's a nice video. If that show up like that,
Yeah.
it's gonna be really fun. Amazing, it took forever for me to arrive in Belleville.
Yeah.
So, oh my god, I never arrived there because I need to go so slow and no
traction.
No traction. You don't have direction because everything is white. You can see exactly what lane you are, if you're in the road or not.
So you were driving in whiteout conditions.
Whiteout, at least floor whiteout condition.
So the wind, in fact, is coming from east northeast. See how the flags are going.
And is that make it worse or?
Well, yeah. If you're by the water, you get that. You get the condition where the cold wind comes over the water, and you get snow. So you get a snow belt.
Is that those lake effect?
Lake effect snow. So if you're living in Milwaukee or Chicago,
you are in problem.
You're
in
trouble. It's over. You're dead.
Find a way to a place to bury yourself.
Yeah, dig a hole now because you're dead.
And rest in peace.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. I think that's good. 5 minutes in video.
5 minutes in hell. 5 minutes in
Nah.
hell, right?
It's good. No problem with that. We have fun.